Welcome to Irrational online tutorial. Now let us look at this question. We are told to find x and y. Alright, now first of all, what we need to do now is to convert this irrational number to an exponent. Now let us recall that according to the law of indices, when you have an irrational number like this, or the square root of a, in a form of exponent, it is a raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, and if this is true, now we can apply it to the left hand side of the equation. So here we have that this is 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2, or raised to the power of the square root of x, then minus the same 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2, or raised to the power of the square root of y, then equals to 504 or 504. Now also recall that if you have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n will give us a raised to the power of the product of the exponent m and n, which is this. And if this is true, we can apply it to the left hand side of the equation here. So here we have 2 raised to the power, when we multiply the half here and the square root of x, here you have the square root of x all over 2, then minus 2, here you have the square root of y all over 2, then equals to 504. Alright, now you can see from the left hand side now that we have a common base. Now the next step we will need to look at now is the right hand side, which is 504. Okay, now this right hand here implies that this expression or this exponent will have a base of 2, and whatever the exponent is here now is a square root now divided by 2. Okay, so definitely the difference here should give us 504. Okay, now the question now is, how do we now generate a number in which each of the numbers on the right hand side we have a base of 2 and an exponent in which we don't know? Alright, so I came to the conclusion that 504 is a product of the difference between 512 and 8. Right, so which implies that 512, when converted into a base of 2, will have a power of 9, and 8 here, when converted to a base of 2, also we have an exponent or a power of what? 3. Alright, to that end, let us apply it to the right hand side. So here we have 2 raised to the power of x squared all over 2, then minus 2 raised to the power of the square root of y all over 2, then equals, now to this end now 502, that will be 512 rather, to a base of 2 here you have 2 raised to the power of 9, and that of 8 here we have 2 raised to the power of what? 3. So applying it here, you have 2 raised to the power of 9, then minus 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Okay, now in this case now, it implies that whatever this expression here is also equals to the right hand. So the left hand is equals to the right hand. Now to that end, we can equate each of them, which means this can be equated to this, and this also can be equated to this. Now to this end, we can say okay, let me come over here. Here you have 2 raised to the power of the square root of x all over 2, then equals to 2 raised to the power of 9. Okay, and the next one here we have 2 raised to the power of the square root of y all over 2, then equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. Now since the base are equal, then we can assume, or we know, that the exponent will definitely have the same. Here you have the square root of 2 all over, the square root of x all over 2, then equals what? 9. All right, now let's multiply 2 to both sides. Multiplying 2 to both sides, it implies that 2 here will be eliminated. So we arrive at that the square root of x will now be 2 times 9, or rather we cross multiply. So to this end, the square root of x will give us what? 18. All right, to this end, now let us square both sides to find the value of x. So which implies the square root of x all raised to the power of 2 then equals 18 all raised to the power of 2. Sorry, I mean we raise both sides to the power of 2. So here we have x will give us the square root of 18 here will give us 324. Okay, now for that of the next one here, we have the square root of y all over 2 equals what? 3. When we cross multiply, this will give us that the square root of y equals to 2 times 3 here will give us 6. All right, now we can raise both sides to the power of 2, and this is to ensure we eliminate the square root for y. So here our y becomes what? 36. All right, now to this end, now if you come over here, you apply it 2 raised to the power of then here the square root of 324 all over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of the square root of 36 all over 2. Now this will give us, since here the square root of 324 will give us 18, which will give us 18 divided by 2, then minus 2, the square root of 36 will give us 6 all over 2. So here you have 2 raised to the power of 9 minus 2 raised to the power of what? 3. And 2 raised to the power of 9 will give us 512 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 give us 8. And this should give us what? 504. Alright, if you love what I've just done, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.